Hey guys, welcome back to my channel Technology, and today in this video tutorial I will show you guys how to disable the Windows 10 startup delay. So you just need to follow me. So first of all, what you have to do, you just need to click on this search button over there, and after that type over there Reg Edit. Also you can type over there Registry Editor. After open Registry Editor, so you just click on this Registry Editor app, or else you can press enter. Okay, after that what you have to do, after get this Registry Editor window, you just need to expand H key current user. After that you have to expand software from here, then scroll down, then find Microsoft folder, expand that. Now you just need to scroll down, then you just need to expand Windows from here, and after that you just need to expand CurrentVersion, then you have to expand Explorer. Under that Explorer folder you will get one folder like Serialized. So if you are not getting that folder like me, then what you have to do, you just need to right click on Explorer folder and click on new, then click on key. Okay, after that you just need to double click on this new key, or right click on rename, and you just need to set the name to Serialize. Okay, after that press enter. Now right click on Serialize and click on new, then click on DWORD 32-bit value. Okay, after that you just need to change the name this new value to StartupDelayInMSec. Okay, you just need to make sure that this I in caps, M in caps, S in caps, and D and S is caps on the caps. Okay, after that what you have to do, you just need to double click over there and you just need to set the value data to 0. Okay, after that okay, and restart your computer and it will disable your startup delay. So I hope this quick tutorial will really help for you, and please don't forget to click on the subscribe button, like button, and share button. And if you have any queries or question, then comments down below. I will see you guys in the next video. Till then, bye bye, take care.